Okay. In previous class, we discussed about the sets and we defined a set and we gave so many examples to understand what is a set. In this class, we try to study the types of sets. The first one is empty set. The first one is empty set. Empty set. I will give the best example to understand what is a empty set. N stands for some set X such that X is a natural number less than 1. This is the best example to understand what is empty set. N is a set X such that X is a natural number less than 1. Can you find any number that less than 1 in the natural number set? No. That means there is no element in this set. Simply can use curly brackets and close them, but don't write anything. It is nothing but empty set and it is also denoted with pi. This is the symbol. We can use this one or this one. But don't write like this. This is not empty set. A set contains one more set. Just like an empty box contains a small empty box. Then it is empty or non-empty. That is non-empty. Suppose this is my small box and it contains one more box, small box like this. Now this is empty, non-empty, non-empty. If you wrote like this is again a non-empty set. This is not empty set. This is my empty set. Keep in mind. That is the difference between. Therefore, we have to define empty set. Empty set is a set in which no element in it. Simply we can define like this. Or empty set is a set does not contain any elements. Does not contain any element. Am I clear? Now coming to the subset. The second one is subset. We'll see how to define a subset. Suppose A equals to small a, small b, small c and small d. Okay. And I will write E also. These are my alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F. And B is my set, some C, D, E. In set B, E, D, C, D, E, and set A, A, B, C, D, E. By observing these two sets, every element of B is an element of A. Therefore, B is a subset of A. Subset, I will write it down here, subset is denoted with sleeping U. Like you are like this, right? Sleeping U. This is the symbol for subset. Suppose I want to show it these two sets by symbolically like this. A subset of B. Sorry, B subset of A. Use this symbol like this. Every element of B is an element of A. Then we can say B subset of A. So how to define? Now, A comma B are any two sets. A comma B are any two sets. Every element of B is an element of A. Then B is subset of A. Make clear? So the next one is union of sets. This is very, very important. Union of sets. This is also very, very important. It is denoted with U like this. Okay, this is the symbol for it. I will give you one example to understand union of sets. How to make them union. Suppose A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and separated by commas. These are my elements, keep in mind. And B equals to some 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. These are all my natural numbers. They have a common property. By adding 1, we get the second one. By adding 1, we are getting the next one. Okay. Now, I would like to make it union. I use this symbol I already explained. Union means combine two sets. This is one type of operation. Your A and B are combining, right? Make them union. In a class, there are boys and girls, right? Girls are one set and boys are one set, but they are sit together in one place. You are in union right now, right? As simple as like that. Now coming to this one, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Union with B 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay. So I want to make them union, but there is a little doubt to all. Here 4, 5, 6 and here we have 4, 5, 6, right? In sets, I told you clearly, if any element is coming repeatedly, we will write only one time, right? Now, can I write it down here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is my answer. I combine them. Here what is their common? 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6 and 6. Here 4 elements and here 4 elements are common. We'll write only one time while make them union. This is very, very important. This is called union of sets. How to understand this example? Why we taken 3, 4, 5 only one time? For example, I will give a best example. In our school, I will take 5 teachers, in which I will take 5 teachers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will give the number. First teacher will teach math, and second teacher teach maths and the science. Third teacher teach only maths. Fourth teacher teach maths and science. And third teacher teaches only math. Tell me how many math teachers are there? 4. Okay. How many science teachers are there? How many teachers teach maths and science? Two. See here, this one and this one are common, right? These two are common. But there are in math teachers, they are also related to the science teacher, right? Am I clear or not? One person is repeatedly comes under math teachers, comes under science. Here, roll number 2, suppose roll number 2 can teach maths and science. They belongs to maths, they belongs to science because he teach science also, right? Like that, here 3, 4, 5, 6 are in common, means they have some common properties. Suppose I will play cricket and co. We know co. Yeah. So some people likes to play cricket. Some people like to play coco, right? But I am in middle because I am going to play cricket. I am going to play coco. I mean, but I am only one. That's the reason they gave only one time. Am I clear on? So this is my union of sets. When coming to the intersection of set, the next one is what? Intersection of sets. Okay. So intersection of sets. This is inverted U. This is inverted U. So I didn't give definition to union of sets, right? If A union B are the elements. Suppose A comma B are any two sets. A comma B are any two sets. A union B of elements either in B or in A or in both. A union B is all elements present in A or present in B or present in both. That's very, very important. The next one, intersection of sets. I will give you a best example to understand. 1, 2, 3, and I will give B 3, 2, 4. 3, 4, 5. See what are the common elements here and here. Suppose this is my A and this is my B. 3 is common between them. These are the intersection. We will take only common element between any two sets is called a intersection of sets. A intersection B is the set of all elements are in both. I think the elements of A and elements of B must be common. Am I clear or not? So how to define A intersection? X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. You can write like this also. And means they should be in A, it should be in B. Suppose if you want to define A union B, X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B or X belongs to both. This is very, very important. Maybe in A, maybe in B, maybe in both. This is very, very important. I will tell you the last one. universal set, and it is denoted with mu like this. Sometimes you can use u also. Universal set. What is universal set? I will give a best example to understand what is universal set. Okay. Sorry. Universal set. I would like to take teeth set. We know how many types of sets are there. First one is incisors. Incisors. Okay. The next one is canines. The next one is molars. The next one is premolars. Teeth set is a big set, that is universal set. All incisors or molars or premolars are coming from my teeth set. Therefore, teeth set is a what? Universal set. These are all subsets of this. These are all coming from teeth set, right? Similarly, I gave a best example. Set of alphabets is a universal set. Comparing with our words, sentences, paragraphs, all these are coming from alphabets. If I want to write something, you are using letters from alphabets. Alphabets is a universal set. The words are all coming from universals. So, okay, anyhow, the next one is, I forgot to say, Venn diagrams. These are very, very important. So, the universal set always denoted with rectangle, and you write it down like this. This is mu, or you can use u also. We have some sets like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And B is equals to some 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to make them union of sets, A union B. I told you now, A union B is all elements in one set. That means you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I gave a best example before, right? So you write down A is my set like this. A is a set we are using with diagrams. These are called Venn diagrams. I will write it on B like this first, and I will find how many common elements are there. How many common elements are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 3, 4, 5, 6. And and B and A have 1, 2, right? By observing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By observing this 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will give 7 others better. I will write out. Now this is union of sets. I make them union by the help of Venn diagram. Any doubt in it? Sometimes they may ask A intersection B. I told you now intersection, where is it? This is the same intersection. Intersection, what are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, right? These are the elements are in common, right? You don't write this one and this one. We get intersection of it. This is the Venn diagram. They belong to A and they belongs to B, just like a math science teacher in math, also in science, right? So there are in between them. It is an intersection portion. Sometimes they may ask like questions in exams. This is very, very important to you. Okay? Any doubt in it? The next one is universal set. The last one is difference between two sets. This is very, very important. If I want to write A minus B, with the same example I would like to explain. A minus B. First write down what is A. What is A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Minus, what is B? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? What is the common elements? 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 3, 4, 5, 6. You cancel out and write it on only A. What are there in the A? So A minus B are the elements present in A but not in B. What is the do you understand my point? A minus B are the elements present in A but not in B. We can define X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. This is the right. So, is there any doubt, right? No. So, the next one is B minus A means you write down only what are the elements in B, right cell. You write down reverse X such that X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A. This is all about different types of sets. Empty set. Non-empty set means a set contains some elements. Empty set means it is a set, it contains no element in it. It does not contain any element is called a empty set and it is denoted with, I didn't give this symbol. This is very, very important.